strategies. As for the
You're not actually answering my question. There was a slight downtrend, okay? Therefore, my question is, the war on drugs of the former president, where more than 30,000 were killed, was not that effective. Yes or no? Yun lang ang sagot yan eh.
Mr. Chair, on the
Coming from your statistics,
we clarify, Mr. Chair, that the data presented on the National Household Survey is the current drug user data. But
yeah, yes. Still, you're not answering my question. The thing is, according to your data, there was only a slight decrease of the drug users in 2019. All right. Therefore, my question is, despite the killings of more than 30,000 during the time of the former president, the war on drugs was not that effective.
as reflected, Mr. Chair, yes po.
Very good. Very good. So that is what I would like to just tell our people, no? Despite the fact that you killed more than 30,000, yet there was only a slight downtrend in the data that you made. So therefore, let me just tell our people here from the PIDEA. Kita mo ha, General Wilkins, look at that. The PIDEA yan. Di ba? Kayo ang pinakaano sa drugs niyan. Oh, sa dami ng mga pinatay nung panahon ni Pangulong Duterte, panahon mo, General Wilkins, panahon ng iba, naging PIDEA Director General, ay hindi masyadong epektibo